Hey everybody, this is Andrew with Bulletproof Designs, and today I wanted to introduce our all-new KYB Front Disc Guard. These are specific to the KYB forks commonly found on factory model bikes, as well as all 2021 Shercos will now only come with KYB front ends. These are one-piece 6061 billet aluminum, pre-drilled on the bottom side for quick access to your fork lug clicker, as well as the compression bolt. These are available in silver, black, and blue. Silver retails at $119, blue and black retail at $129. It's pretty much the ultimate protection for the front end of your Sherco. These protect your brake rotor and fork lug from rocks, roots, trail debris kicked up at it. They're available to fit both stock size rotors, 270 millimeter rotors, as well as oversized rotors at 280. Very easy to install. You just replace the lower caliber mount bolt and remove your axle nut. Put the front disc guard on, replace the axle nut and the provided Allen head bolt. Built in the US and come with a lifetime warranty. They're available now. You can click the link below. Check them out at bulletproofdesigns.com.